Hello, young scientists. Welcome back to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explore what food is, learn about different types of foods for plants and animals, discover the basic food groups, understand the importance of a balanced diet, and explore factors for healthy living. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's understand what food is. Food is what we eat to give our bodies energy, help us grow, and keep us healthy. It comes in many shapes, colors, and tastes. Living things need food to stay alive. Food is the source of energy for plants, animals, and humans. Plants make their own food. Animals and humans eat this food. Plants' food. Plants also need food to grow big and strong, just like we do. But their food is different. Instead of eating burgers or pizza, plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. They use sunlight, water, and a gas called carbon dioxide to create energy. Isn't that amazing? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process that plants use to make their own food. They capture sunlight with their leaves, along with carbon dioxide from the air and water from the ground. With the help of sunlight, plants combine these ingredients to create a special food called glucose. Glucose gives plants energy to grow and produce flowers and fruits. During photosynthesis, plants also release oxygen, which is important for us and other living creatures to breathe. It's a wonderful cycle that shows how plants provide us with clean air and nourishment. Animals' food. Now, let's talk about animals and their food. Animals have different food preferences. Some animals, like cows, sheep, and deer, eat only plants. We call them herbivores. They have special teeth and long intestines that help them digest plants easily. On the other hand, some animals, like lions, tigers, and cheetahs, eat only meat. They are called carnivores. Their sharp teeth and strong jaws help them catch and eat other animals. But wait, there's more. Some animals, like us humans, have a diverse diet. We can eat both plants and animals. We are called omnivores. Our teeth are designed to eat a variety of foods. Now that we know about different types of food, let's explore the basic food groups that make up a balanced diet. The basic food groups are fruits and vegetables, grains, protein, dairy, and fats/oils. Each group provides important nutrients that our bodies need to stay healthy and strong. Eating a variety of foods from each group is essential for a balanced diet. Let's have a look at the benefits of each of them. Fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables is important because they have lots of vitamins and minerals. These help us stay healthy, have strong bodies, and grow big. They also have fiber that helps our tummies feel good and our digestion work well. Dried fruits and nuts. Dried fruits and nuts give us energy to run, jump, and play. They are like tiny power-ups for our bodies. They also have vitamins and minerals that help our bodies stay strong. Grains. Grains are foods like rice, bread, and pasta. They give us energy to run, play, and do all the fun things we love. They also have special vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies healthy and make us feel full and satisfied. Dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt give us calcium. Calcium is like a superhero for our bones and teeth, making them strong and healthy. It helps us grow tall and have big smiles. Meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. These foods give us protein. Protein is like building blocks for our bodies. It helps our muscles grow strong, so we can run, jump, and play. It also helps our bodies heal when we get a scratch or a scrape. Drinking. Water is super important for us. It keeps our bodies hydrated and helps us feel refreshed. It's like a superhero drink that helps all our body parts work well. But just eating the right food is not enough for a healthy life. There are other factors we need to consider too. Cleanliness, proper sleep, exercise. Cleanliness is important for staying healthy. We should wash our hands before eating, brush our teeth regularly, and keep our surroundings clean. Proper sleep is also crucial. Our bodies and minds need rest to grow and function well, so make sure to get enough sleep every night. And let's not forget about exercise. It keeps our bodies strong, helps us stay fit, and gives us energy. We can play sports, go for a bike ride, or simply take a walk with friends or family. That wraps up our exploration of food and healthy living. My young friends, remember to eat a balanced diet, keep yourself clean, get enough sleep, and stay active through exercise. These are all important steps towards a healthy and happy life. See you next time.